Welcome to my channel Nails by LilyMarleen. This is my cat's eyes tutorial. As usual, I'm starting off with a coat of Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base coat. Now I'm applying 2 coats of Essence Black as Speck on my thumbs, index fingers and pinkies. As a base for the nail art, I am applying 2 coats of Essence Wild White Waves on my middle finger and ring finger. To finish off the black and to make a base for the gradient, I am applying a coat of Seche Vite, which is a quick dry top coat. Now I am applying a coat of liquid latex around my middle and ring finger, and I am using Clean Edge from Liris Beautywelt. For the eye color, I am using a gradient between yellow and green. The yellow is China Glaze Daisy Know My Name, and the green is China Glaze Treble Maker. And I am applying the colors onto a makeup sponge and then use the sponge to create the gradient on my nails. After that's done, I am using some tweezers and just peel off the liquid latex. Because I'll be working with acrylic paint next, I am applying another coat of Seche Vite. To create the eye, I am using a fine detailing brush and black acrylic paint, and I am outlining the eye with this. Then I am switching to a small flat brush to fill in the areas that are going to be black with the acrylic paint. With the detailer brush I used for the outlines, I am creating a vertical iris. To make the eyes look real, I am adding a white dot as the light reflection. I only filmed 1 coat, but I am applying 2 coats of Seche Vite to finish off the manicure. And here's the finished manicure. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.